Greetings, my fans, and welcome back to another video. Now, as you all know, all tools need maintenance, and machetes are no exception. And mine needs maintenance, which I have mentioned in some of my past videos. So I learned how to clean a machete, got the stuff required, and I'm going to do this video just doing machete maintenance. Now, first off, let's show you what we've got for it. First off, of course, we have a machete. Kind of hard to do maintenance on a machete if you don't have a machete. Can of WD-40. Sandpaper. And sharpening stones. So, let's get right into this off the bat. Now, as you can see, my machete is quite dirty. Mostly because this is the first time I've actually cleaned it. First off, WD-40. Now we're going to leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that, we move on. Alright, it's, the time is up. Now, now this is for one side, but next step, we're going to, grub it with sandpaper. Okay, now we're going to wipe it off, with this paper towel. Right. Okay. It immediately looks a lot better. But we're going to scrub it a bit more. See if we can get the rest of the stuff out. Okay, now I'm going to wipe it off again. And, okay, this is what the other side looks like. Haven't cleaned this side yet, but this is what the other side that I just cleaned looks like. Noticeable difference. Great. Now I'm going to take care of cleaning the other side next, and then we're going to get on to the sharpening. Alright, now, got both sides of my machete cleaned. Now, last part of maintenance is sharpening the machete. Now I'm not really all that good at this part, but we got a sharpening stone here. Let's do this. Okay, now other side, clean up the edge. Alright, now let's do the other side. Ignore the background noise. Great. Now, I'm gonna clean up the edge here real quick. Always be careful with this part, or otherwise you might cut yourself. And there we go. Yeah, today's maintenance work for my machete. That's pretty much it. So, thank you all for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to see more of my content. And if you like to help support my channel, share this video with someone else. Thank you all for watching. This is Randoman, signing off.